hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act.
Hello, what's up, what's good? I'm Irene and you're watching ireneeish, a little bit of Irene. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you have already, welcome back to the channel. It's that time of month again, y'all. And no, I'm not on my period. It's time to clean my fucking house. My house is a freaking mess. We have hella dishes, clean the bathroom, take out the trash, vacuum the floors, mop the floors, and that couch again. That couch needs help. What else? My bedroom is a mess. We're gonna fold laundry. I don't think we'll be washing the dogs this time because that was a lot to film last time. So I'm probably gonna do that off camera. But there's so much to do. Let's just get to it. This is the before. Oh. How do I always let it stack up over the sink? Like, what? Why? So bad. A mess. A literal mess. Harley is so disappointed. There's so much shit everywhere. Here we go, Mario. Gloves, because I gotta protect the hands. Voila. Let's get started. I need music, as always. I need music when I wash the dishes.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. Maybe wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish.
Hey Siri, text skate mommy thoughty.
What do you want to say?
Hey, do you want to go skate this weekend? Question mark.
Ready to send it?
Yeah. Thank you.
It ain't fair that all pretty girl.
Yay, all done. So many dishes. Why do I let it get like this? I don't know. Time to vacuum. Welcome to my room. It's a mess. So this is my room right now. I still haven't unpacked from the river. I fell asleep at 8 p.m. with chips in my hand. Harley, where are you going? The bed looks chill. Looks all good until you uncover it and there's all my unfolded laundry. It's clean, but I haven't folded it yet. And it's been there for about a week. My incense always be popping. I don't know why, but I just never feel like emptying it until it gets bad. I still haven't put a fucking cover on the dog bed and they made it so dirty. R.I.P.
Somebody want us to believe that you somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion, make a couple mil off passion. House on a hill, live lavish, lavish.
Okay, I've got so many boxes here that need to be recycled because I just set up my home gym. Video coming soon, so make sure to go check that out once it's up. But yeah, I've got to deal with all these packages.
Don't hear me crying from your bedside, cause you in love with the finer things. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart.
Oh my god, so much weeks later now. I actually don't really like cleaning, so let me know if you guys like these videos or not, because if you don't really like it like that, I probably won't do any more of these clean with me videos because it takes me a long ass time to clean. Anyway, we are at the bathroom now. It's time to clean the bathroom. I just need to clean the toilet, the sink. Ooh, I got a new sink, by the way. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm gonna mop the floors, then I need to mop the floors the rest of the house, and then I think we're done with this clean with me video, finally. I'm pretty sure I started recording this video the end of July, and it's September now. Wait. July, August, September. It's freaking September and I'm still not done recording this video. That's how much I don't like cleaning, but let's just fucking get into it. Let's do this. We're almost done. Clean the toilet. Got the toilet one. This shit is legit. It makes cleaning super fast. Okay. Done. This is the worst when it's empty. Take the trash out. Put a new bag in. Use the method, pamplemousse and grapefruit.
Why sell on my neck, bitch? High as hell when I'm moving on the next bitch. Shawty say she from the south, she from Texas. She said when you ass in town, send a message. I just wanna put some rocks on my necklace. Bitches drowning in some rock.
Sparkling clean. I need to clean the windowsill because of all the ash from the fires came through the window. Oh, this is my new sink, by the way. How freaking cute is it? It's like a little waterfall.
On your knees, you a dog, go and stand up. Need some manners, fuck a leash, try and take this all away from me. Not the one you want, turn into an enemy. When I'm just trying to do it better me. Gon' turn that pain into currency. I'm ballin' while you watch on bleachers. Put my shawty in a new two-seater. Yeah, talking on me, I can't let them beat us. Front of mud, but
dirty boy. These dogs be making the floors so dirty.
Little bitch, he seeker. Yeah, give me Lou and get my racks up. Yeah, I see it, then I get it, fuck her back up. Why sell on my neck, bitch? High as hell when I'm moving on the next bitch. Shawty say she from the south, she from Texas. She said when you ass in town, send a message. I just wanna put some rocks on my necklace. Bitches drowning in some rock with they best friends. I'm just in the field grinding with my brethren. Do it big, bring that old school back then. Go and give me the loot, and I know what to do. Frozen neck, think it's cool. Bitch get off, I got standards. On your knees, you a dog, go and stand up. Need some manners, fuck a leash, try and take this all away from me. Not the one you want, turn into an enemy. Yeah. When I'm just trying to do it better me. Gon' turn that pain into currency.
Remember how I said I wasn't gonna do the dog cleaning in this video? Well, I changed my mind because I got my bitch over here cleaning my dogs for me. It's a long time coming, buddy. I think it's been like almost 2 months since you got a bath. Good boy. Okay. Your turn. She's like, oh hell no. He's like, please help. So cute. No! Dirty, dirty boys. Look at that water. Ew! Good boy. Oh, good boy. You did so good, buddy. You ready? You good? Come on. You're so weird. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Here we go. Oh, clean, buddy. Big baby. In. Good girl. There you go. Good girl, Harley. Big girl. Big booty, Harley. Oh my gosh, you're so soft already.
Oh shit, the towel got all wet.
I knew you would do this. I knew it. You always shake when you get out, and it's so messy. Oh. Booty in my face. Okay. Alright y'all, time to take a thumbnail. I'll include my thumbnail video this time because last time I got 3 dislikes for not having me doing the splits in the video. So here you guys go. Don't give me dislikes this time, I didn't clickbait.
Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me.